So when I first went to the Netherlands as an international student, I had a lot of trouble adapting. And if it wasn't for my friends who actually really made it feel like home, I would have definitely dropped out. In fact, 17% of first-year international students drop out of university. And when we dove into why that is the case for TUE students, we realized that there are two main issues. The first is adapting to new environments, and the second is social isolation. But it's not only the students that suffer from this, but also the university, as they lose over 500,000 euros per year from the dropouts. And the executive board of TUE mentioned that international students are actually vital to the high-tech industry, which means Brainport Eindhoven is also affected. Brainport Eindhoven, by the way, is a group of high-tech companies in Eindhoven. And they lose on prospective employees because of the dropouts. So it's actually estimated that by 2032, there will be a shortage of 50,000 technical employees in the city. In addition to this, the municipality of Eindhoven is also giving subsidies for ideas to increase diversity. So this is exactly why we are here. We are Bright Bytes, and we want to make a change in this situation by implementing a platform that would be sent to first-year international students by the university through their welcome package email. We would solve the adapting to new environments issue by a step-by-step checklist of all the legal actions that need to be taken, with a built-in chat section for any questions or concerns. And we would also provide local volunteers and a tips and tricks section from local students that would help the new students with getting acquainted. And then we would solve the social isolation issue by a buddy feature that links up like-minded students. Of course, there are other websites on the market that do provide information, but we are tackling the problem from a more personalized and a ready-to-help approach. So, when talking to the student diversity officer, there's a 60,000 euros fund from the TUE, so we can use that to develop the checklist and the tips and tricks feature, because this was indicated as preferences by senior high school students. And we would also promote and recruit the volunteers and the buddies. Then, for financial stability, we would approach the municipality and Brainport Eindhoven, because as I mentioned before, they do want ideas to increase diversity. So, with our website, we can make international students finally feel at home, we can make the university have less dropouts and lose less money, and finally, highly skilled international talent can stay in the country and contribute to its industry. So please join us in making Eindhoven a home for everyone.